Hello. Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip will apply at a time that you've forgotten to practice. So it may be midway through your day in a really busy day. Uh, you got on the plane and you realize, well, I got a flight and then the time zone changes and then I have a meeting when I get there. So it just didn't get done today. Or perhaps it's later in the day and your to-do list is piling up. The time seems to be running by, and you didn't have an opportunity to practice. You hadn't made one, um, and so it's very unlikely that you're going to practice today. Or perhaps it's later at night, and you just lay it down in bed, just lay down, and then I didn't get my practice in. I thought I was going to do it before breakfast, and when I didn't, I thought I'd do it when I got home from work, and then etc. So the idea is when you do notice that you're not going to get your practice in today, or it's very unlikely, or it would be extremely difficult, let it go. Practice some of the things that we practice in Tai Chi Chuan. Let it go. No need to be frustrated, annoyed, disappointed, um, alarmist. Just, all right, well, I guess I hadn't done it. Didn't happen. Didn't happen today. This is not, today's tip is not for you to plan not to do it, but it's when you recognize it's not going to happen, just be okay with that and give it another shake tomorrow. And perhaps that gives you a little bit of um, empathy for your fellow classmates who don't get their practice in all the time. And maybe that gives you a sense of, oh, that's a bit what it's like for somebody else, that classmate that has an elderly mother living at home and 5 young kids as well, or that classmate who's juggling 2.5 jobs. Maybe that's what it's like for them. And so that's kind of the practice that you can get out of it. So thank you very much.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.